Hi guys, this is iFoodie Girl. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty fried tilapia. Oil 1 cup, chili powder 3 tablespoons, salt 2 tablespoons, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, pepper 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, onion powder 1 tablespoon, lime juice 4 tablespoons. Mix them together. Rub the seasoning all over the fish, including the insides. Fried tilapia or any kind of fish fry is easy to cook. I am sure that we all have our own way of frying fish. I love fried fish. This is something I can eat every day. However, I try to refrain making this during the winter months because the smell of the fish lingers in the house for a while. This fried tilapia is family's way of bringing it home. Make sure to set your oven to 400° Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Since it's summer, I can fry fish every day. I usually do this outside of the house by the backyard. Simple dishes are so awesome. Let's eat some fried tilapia. Remove from the pan and arrange in the serving plate. That's it guys. You can now serving with your favorite condiments and side dish. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Also, please share this video with your friends. I'll see you in another tasty recipe video.